Alright, we're doing my Christmas nails, like the nails I am going to wear for Christmas. I just got this sticker set along with this one in from Born Pretty. I had placed this order. Honestly, you're probably not seeing the haul before you see this video for obvious time, but I got these guys, so you may already see these before you, oh my god, how cute. And then the reindeer. I really wasn't feeling inspired by anything, but I think I have a little inspiration now. Going to buff, let me move these like out of the way. Going to buff all of my nails. I'm gonna try this one. I folded over a little piece of it. I mean, I know I have another one. Did I just rip that off too? I am not having it today. Unfortunately, with white, doing a matte top coat is not your friend. So I'm doing this glossy. Wiping off that tacky layer. By the way, I've been filming for 6.5 minutes and I've only done that. Put a sticker down, put some gel polish down. That's it. If this is any indication how this video is going to go. This is Madam's Glam's white texture paint, and I just got this in today, and I'm so excited. No joke, I have no idea how much you guys actually saw because I'm pretty sure my camera died in the middle of it. So that's great. I will link all the products below, but I am truly obsessed with these. Like, look at how cute they are. Obviously, I kept my dominant hand a little bit lighter with just these guys. And then this one is a little bit more complicated. But I did want to leave some of that white because I actually was really enjoying the white by itself. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.